telling us what we're gonna do, but it's a team activity.
I would say I'm really competitive.
Oh, okay. Oh, there you go.
But I can lose as well, so it's fine for me.
The color of my nails, our body, our clothes, it was changing. And it led us to like think about how we live our lives.
Best part of the trip so far is, I think, getting to know the people, the colleagues. I've already had some great laughs, great stories, and we're just starting.
I'm very honored to be here, and they are all amazing people, and I'm very proud to be part of Crayon family.
Many of you have traveled quite distances, and I can only say thank you for taking the time to be with us. I hope that you're able to meet new friends, cherish this memory of being together. This is something that you should all be really proud of.
I did not expect that, no. I hoped for it, but really, really grateful.
Spoken to everyone, seen how talented everyone is, so yeah, really surprising. Happy and grateful, and it's a mix of feelings, to be honest. It's all a little bit surreal.
I'm really appreciate the support from Indonesia team. Thanks to my family, always support me in their home.
It was a very good surprise. I think we are all winners, and I feel very blessed.
I'm flabbergasted by getting this award. I want to thanks to all of them who have actually made it possible for me.